Kel, Delight, Deborah, Chino, Chidera, Jefferson, Dominion. Thank you for coming. So today we're talking about Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer is actually a tool like Canva, but it's used to create visual appealing designs using AI, artificial intelligence. So today we're actually going to see how Canva actually, sorry, not Canva, how Microsoft Designer actually works. It's actually like way more better than Canva. Yes, in the sense that it uses artificial intelligence. Like you don't really need to even like start designing. You just tap in your type in your prompts and then it creates the design for you. So let me show you how it's actually done. So you just go to Microsoft Designer, Microsoft, Microsoft Designer. So the interface is loading. Yes, so when you come to Microsoft Designer, the first thing you do is you see the search box here. Like here, you just type in the design. For instance, I can say, okay, let's something like make me a design for my fashion business. For my fashion business. You can say instead of make me a design, make me a design. You just say something like make me a an Instagram design for my fashion business. And then sorry, you don't have to sign up with the Microsoft account. You have to sign up with the Microsoft account first of all. Okay. So let's sign. Okay, so you sign up first of all, you sign up with your maybe your Microsoft email or maybe your email address. So you say make me an Instagram design for my fashion business, and then you click on generate, and then sorry, I have to share this stuff here. And then on the right hand side, you see like different fashion designs that the AI has actually created for your fashion business. Yeah, you'll see different ones that the AI has created. And then if you want to add an image, maybe you don't want to use this images here, like the images here. If you want to add an image, you can tap here and say add an image, and you see from your phone, from this device, or from your media. Then if you want them to generate an image for you, you can just tap in the image. Like you can just type the image and be like, maybe you want to generate maybe a girl wearing a gown. To generate the image for you, go back, and here now, these are the design. You just click on the design and be like, oh, maybe you want to download this design or you want to customize the design. So you tap on customize design. Sorry, I need to shift this. And when you maybe you want to customize the design, you can come here to put the the text you want. Yes, you can come here to put the text you want. You can also change the templates through this place. You can change the visuals here too. If you tap on here, you can change this image here. If you can click this one and you can put it here instead. And if you have like a brand kit, maybe you have your brand colors, like different colors for your brand, you can come here and like add your brand kits. Yes, you can add your brand kits here. Yes, you can add your brand kits. You can build your brand kits, get started. You add your brand colors. Yes, and if you want to remove a background from an image, you tap here. If you want to replace an image, you tap here. If you want to input another image, you tap here. If you want to crop an image, you tap here. If you want an effect to your image, to your design, you tap here. If you want your an image to become the background, you can also tap here. And here is for position, and here is for opacity. Like opacity is like if you want your image to disappear or to become like the color to be, how will I even explain it? For the color to be sharp or to be less sharp. Let's just use the word like that. Okay, so now yeah, you can come here and tap on download. So yeah, so close this brand kits. You can tap on download here, and then they said the recommended file type is PNG. Yes, PNG is recommended. Um, and you can make your background transparent. You can download like a transparent background. You can remove the watermark. You tap here and then you download. And then another beautiful thing about Microsoft Designer is that if you want to you want to post that particular picture now on your social media, you can tap on this icon. Maybe if you want to post it on Instagram, you can tap on this icon here. And when you tap on this icon, it's it creates an interface whereby an AI can actually generate a caption for your image that was designed for your design from Microsoft Designer. If it's Facebook, the same thing, and if it's Instagram, the same thing. The AI will create like a caption and also a hashtag. Pretty easy. So that's all. Even if you want like the AI to like generate like an image from the first prompt, if you want the AI to like generate an image, maybe you say, instead of saying make me an Instagram post for my fashion business, you can say make me an Instagram post of a girl wearing just anything, maybe of a girl wearing a jean gown, or maybe of a girl wearing a shirt, or if a boy doing just anything, and it will generate it for you, and then you can actually customize the design to your taste and to your need. Okay, so please, is there any question? Is there any question?
Yeah, I have a question. Sorry.
Okay.
Yes, good evening, everybody. I want to know Microsoft Designer. Is it free? Like, is everything that it offers? Is it free or there are some paid packages?
It's actually free. It's actually free. It's free. All you have to do is just sign up with your Microsoft accounts and then you start using it. It's free.
Oh wow! All right, thank you.
When you were beginning this session. Hello?
Can
Okay,
you drop the
okay.
link to the Microsoft Designer on the group chat?
Can anyone
Okay. I can drop the link. Um I should
can
drop
anyone
it
hear me?
on the WhatsApp group or here.
The WhatsApp group is better.
Okay. All right. Okay, Jefferson.
Good evening, Tumini.
Good evening.
Yeah, this is quite interesting. But my question is it just like I saw the way you used the AI at the beginning? Can the AI also be used like during designing? Like while the design is in progress and maybe I get a concept in mind, can I still implement the AI? Is there like a search bar somewhere I can still type in my thoughts to evoke a concept or something? Or it's only at the beginning I can use to start the design, then I can work on it myself.
If like from this place, I think you can see tap, like you can see. Oh no, you can't. Sorry, you just have to come here and then edit it. Like you just come here and then edit it, rename it, and oh, that's all. You cannot edit it from the design. You have to go back to like edit it.
Okay, so what it does is like to give you options to start with, then you can build on those options yourself.
Yes, exactly. And then you can just tell it, you can just tell the AI your mind, like what you actually want, like what you actually expect from the design from the beginning, and then it will just give you what you want, and then you just edit it to your own taste.
Okay, okay, thank you very much.
All right. You're welcome. Is there any other question? Jefferson, are you still asking another question?
No, no, I've taken the hand down.
Okay, Bernie, welcome. Are you just coming? All right, so for those that were not here, because I saw that somebody just joined, welcome. Microsoft Designer is a tool, it's a design tool powered by AI that creates visual appealing designs. Yes, you just type in your prompts. You just type in your prompts, like I have to go back. So you just type in your
Oh, you could have
prompts.
typed new design. You don't need to go back.
Okay, yeah, new design. Oh. Thank you, Chino. Okay, so you just type in your prompt and then the it generates the design for you. So if you say something like how am I going to say it now? And link a LinkedIn post for my mm, excursion, my my excursion trip. Like it generates it can generate any kind of design on any topic about you, maybe a trip you went on, to just generate the design for you. So there's a question, right? Tina, do you have any
Question.
contribution?
It's not really contribution, but like I've tried using Canvas before. Is it Canvas? I was trying to edit someone's work and then working with Microsoft Designer. All I know is Microsoft Designer takes a lot. Like I feel like my laptop was burning. My data was going, everything was just hanging. I don't know. I hope they've worked on it. I don't know. Have you experienced that before?
Oh, I've not.
Who is laughing? Other than that, I like it. It's nice. It's fine.
Yeah, it's actually nice.
Say sorry.
Eh,
Okay, so thank you everyone for attending. Thank you for leaving your comfort zones to attend my event. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Okay, good night, everybody.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Yeah,
So.
good
Well
night.
done.
Good night.
Well done, Tumini.
Thank you, Zema.